on another adventure right now. It's pouring down rain, and it's Easter weekend of 2024, and we're getting some downpours of a heavy rainstorm that's hitting Los Angeles and hitting Southern California. And we decided to go up to the desert and go play around in the desert. By the way, Lissy's with me, and we got Renata and her green Jeep following us behind. Out to the dry lake bed here, and it's probably just going to be a muddy lake bed, but we're not going to drive in that stuff. Whoa! Oh shit! Wow! Going. Yeah, we gotta get out of this. This is nasty stuff. Woo! Yeah, we don't want to get stuck out there in the dry lake bed, which is what almost happened. We literally did a big giant loop and started to like slide sideways. That was insane. Yeah, no driving out on dry lake beds. That could have got ugly real fast. That stuff was like literally driving on slime. I mean, we literally started to just spin sideways and keep sliding sideways until I gave it gas just to get us out of it. I was at full high, so I gave us just enough gas to gain traction and straighten out and keep it going and keep it steady. That was close though. Now we know how crazy it is out there in the desert and going out to a dry lake bed, where that dry lake bed turned into like an ice bed. It's a good thing I turned around and was able to get out of that. But nonetheless, we're going to take another adventure now. We're going to drive up Jawbone Canyon and see how far up Jawbone Canyon we can get. This is Jawbone Canyon. Normally, if you can follow this up as far as you can, it goes up to about 7,000 feet elevation up into the sequoias, and there's big trees and it's beautiful. All right, we're about to hit the dirt. Here it is, and this is where we hit the dirt. Come here, Coda, come. Good boy. Ranger up there. This stuff's slippery. Look at this. Wow. That's a steep hill we're going to be going up. This is pretty dicey. If you take this road to the right, it goes to Lake Isabella, and you go straight, it goes up to Paiute Mountain up in the sequoias. Of course, we're probably not going to drive up that far before we turn around. You can see it's real muddy down this way.
So we just just ran into a guy with a Tacoma, and he told us that the snow is really deep. It's like slush. And what else did he say, Dad?
There's 2 other people that are going this direction, and he doesn't know how far they're going to get, but the snow was up over his tires, and it's very slushy and muddy. Okay, it's time to possibly turn back around. So this is as far as we're going to go because both cars are starting to slip and slide really bad in the mud, and going up the hill, up into the mountains with cliffs on the side that drop off, not the best idea. Best.
Yep. Yes. Yeah. We did it. Keep it consistent. Keep going. Keep going. Jeep beep.
And that is how you do it.
That's it. That's all you got.
Let's see you do it. Here.